we have a really, really big Pong Ceremony. We have a really, really big Pong Ceremony. Right, everybody. It's a lot of offers. It's a lot of just interviews happening. So I just want to give everyone a time to celebrate and be seen for all of their hard efforts. So first on my list is the juggler, which is Henry. Come on up. You want your name on the wall? All right, cool. So for one, Henry had an interview at Hackerrank. Drop it and ring the bell. Drop the ball. All right. He had another round one at
IBM.
Awesome again.
Ding.
And then he had another one at, you know where.
Blockdeamon.
Blockdeamon. All right. So I just want to say congratulations to Henry. Thank you, Henry. It's very simple. So simple. All right. Another one. I don't think she's on with us, but I'll get everything for Lisa. Right? Lisa has been on this as an iOS engineer. Lisa has one for Notion. Right? She has one at Bevel, a round one for an iOS engineer at Bevel. She has a round one for a senior iOS engineer at VIA. And she has a round one for a senior iOS engineer at Current. Awesome. Online, next is Maylin Acosta. Maylin, unmute yourself, please.
Where you want?
Hello.
Hey, Maylin. Tell us about the two that you have.
It's Seesaw and it's the Sapien one.
Yep. She has round one for Seesaw as a QA engineer. And she's had a round one at Publicis, right?
Yeah.
At Publicis. Mind you, her round one at Seesaw, I just had to pat myself on the back because she did get an internal referral through my old team lead, which is Brian, so I'm so happy for her, and much luck and success. Thank you, Nathan. Next, Larry's in the house. Larry. Larry had a round one at Citizens. Awesome. Next, who's not here, would be Isaac Gonzalez. Isaac Gonzalez had a round one at Citizens. Wish him best of luck. Is Aaron here? Aaron was here. Did Aaron go home? He left? All right. Aaron had a round one also at Citizens. Lenny's here. Lenny, come on up.
It's like,
Where?
Lenny had a round one at Citizens. And Eunice is not on. Eunice also had a round one at Citizens. All right, so off to another commit partner, because, we've been working those hard, right? We also have Tony. Tony Hong had a round one at Citi. DeAndre, who's not online, had a round one at Citi. Jean, who's not here also, had a round one at Citi. Nima had a round one at Citi. Lily had a round one at Citi. Tyler had a round one at Citi. Antonio, you online. Say it, Antonio. Citi, thank you. Right? Keith Camacho also had a round one at Citi. Labour's not here, but she had a round one at Citi as well. Daniel Rodriguez had a round one at Citi. Ahmed had a round one at Citi. I know we working so hard. Richie had a round one at Citi. Steven's not online, but he had a round one at Citi too. Fez is here. Fez, come do it. And you can write your name on it after. Let's just go through the process. We fix it later. Yes. Right? And also Jahad Petty had a round one at Citi. So now our special guest, which we're gonna go to our offers, which I'm so proud of. So Kevin Brutus, let's start off with the before you have to get to the offer, you gotta do a round one. Citizens, and then you also got a
Offer from Citizens.
offer. Christina, you're online. Unmute, girl. You had a round one at Citizens, followed by a what? What you get? What did you get?
An offer.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
As Citizens, we have Justin online. Justin, you know it's your turn to go. Let's go.
Round one at Citizens.
Round one at Citizens, followed by an offer. Carlitos, you here? Come on up. Come on up. Let's go. What we got?
Round one from City.
Go.
An offer from City as well.
Woo! Claire, I know you can, but come on
Claire.
up. Come on up, Claire. What we got, Claire?
Round one at City.
Round one. Ring bell. Followed by
An offer.
And last but not least, that we've been going so hard for so long. Where's Joshua? Let's go. What do we have? Talk loud.
Final round from, I don't know.
Yeah, what was the company?
City.
Thank you, ring the bell. Followed by
Offer from City.
offer. And that concludes our Pong ceremony. But
Does it?
what? I think you was on my page too. That's what I have. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Round one. Followed by offer. Okay, all right. So just for making sure, did I forget anybody by mistake? Okay, it would be by mistake, right? All right, and that concludes our Pong ceremony for today. Thank you all for joining, and all right, bye-bye.
Like and subscribe on YouTube.
Bye.